across Northern Philippines. Member, Philippine Online Broadcasters Association and PBB.
Anya-aya.
Pagkakatawaan nga agkakaruba.
Anya-aya.
Pangsutsutil ka dagiti pulpolitiko nga agkakapusaksaken agkakataraki.
Anya-aya.
Ray-rayaw ti aldaw aperme iti gargaragga.
Anya-aya. Programa nga umay mangrayrayaw kada kayo. Mangsutsutil kadigita kaunggan nyo. Mangragragsak kadigita malidlidayan na puspuso yo. Umay kayo ang kaaruba tatinggen ti gargaragik a programa ditoy. RPN Radio Ronda sa Istres 9 apagpusipusan kadigita radyo. Umay mangparparagsak ken manglilinay kadigita in kayulot-lutwen da inadi. Ruliti ken Hanibi. Kadwada pay daluluraki ken Lola Beshi. Mangrugi kada oras iti alas 10 iti bigat agin gana alas 12 iti tinga ti aldaw. Lunes agin gana iti biyernes nitoy nalataken kaunaan a radyo ti Lailokano. Anya-aya.
Walang pikunan, walang personalan, it's just pagkakatawaan lang.
Yes. May samanin nga aldaw, may samanin nga episode for our contents para iti Lailokano's Anya-aya. My God, I am in so blue sa aking FB Live. Deto'y matyan ko itata iti NGT Multimedia ket kasla nagpukawak because I am having a blue and green screen for today. But anyway, hello kadagiti amin nga agbuybuya kada ito'y programa tayo iti multimedia. Agyaman nakapo iti panang buyboy ayo, panang tartarawid video, panang kitkita yo kadagiti amin nga programs ni Inadi together with Doc Honey and Sir Rolity nga da J Bagyo. So what will be our content for today? Our content for today, ladies and gentlemen, are ano ba? Anakadi dagiti tourist destinations all over the country. Anakadadigiti mabalin nga papanan as tourists. Local tourists, kuno international tourists, siyak apo ni Ina di nga kasta limitado, nalimitaran pay laeng, basit pay laeng tinakadanunak. Although, nakadanon tayon iti northern up to the southern, ngam kadigiti is isla apo kat hantayo pay nga na-saturate. So our topic for today will be the 15, kung na yun recommend. So kata man dito, pinag-formak lang dito, blue is blue. Hi, Tudong Esteban. So, eto na. The 15 best summer destinations in the Philippines. Kung na yun apo. As of 2020, dito apo, this is an article coming from DESA, a blogger, hindi pa na-update. No, this is 2023 pala. It's summer once again. Sabi niya dito, if it's summer, kailangan talaga, ang sabi natin is, it's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines because, kunana, we are blessed with the best places in the world. And summer is often the best time to enjoy, diba? With our family. Ayan. Kaya pag ikaw, Sir Martin, you have decided to book your flight for this summer dito sa Pilipinas, kailangang malaman mo kung ano ba yung mga talagang tourist destinations na nakalagay sa ating mga tourism offices. First on my list is Brenda Rosqueta Tomas is watching Donsol Sorsogon. Kunay na apo. If you wish to enjoy, kunay na, if you want to have an up close and personal sa ating mga whale shark, especially sa ating mga giant creatures on the Bicol Peninsula, ito yung time talaga para makita natin. Hi Rolando Pasion, Donsol Sorsogon. The whale shark in Sorsogon can be clearly seen, sabi niya, makita maapo, can be clearly seen swimming in the warm waters from the safety of a boat. You will ride on a boat and as part of the guided tour. Hindi pwede. And then, please be aware, sabi niya dito, meron tayong mga disclaimers that trips need to be booked early. Kailangan agpabook ka early for the strict conservation, diba? Conservation rules regarding the interaction within the whale sharks. Hanggang dati asi-asi nga napangka dyan, baka mapamupay panaon. That is restricted, guys. Only one boat per whale shark. Diba? That is in Donsol Sorsogon with a minimum of 6 people on board and no touching or flash photography allowed. Haan nga mabalin, apo, iti flash photography. So, kaya nakasaun apo, underwater camera will do, but iti ma-flashan apo. Kasi, ada DJ tendency na nga ma-distract. DJ whale sharks, ijay Donsol Sorsogon. Second, the second tourist destination manang Loida Saladino if you wish to come, kideto'y summer to Pilipinas. This is Apo Island in Negros Oriental. This is a marine reserve. Kunay na. Anat kayang asauan no marine reserve, Apo, this has become a sanctuary of massive sea turtles. Kunay na, of which 2 of the 5 species in the Philippines can only be found. Kaya nga sa uwan, deto'y 2, iti 5 nga species are in the Philippines. Iso lang ti pakabiru kam ijay, Apo Island. But of course, dapat hantayo nga sagidan ida without interfering with the turtles. And of course, sa ating pag-i-snorkel, that if using an instrument for the snorkeling, haan tayo mabalin nga sagidan digito'y turtles. We cannot even sagid, haan tayo nga mabalin nga sagidan, dagitay coral reefs. Diba? J.R. Rosqueta. Needless to say, sabi niya, the corals are fantastic for those who wants scuba diving and snorkeling, but please do not ever touch anything. Diba? Hello, Mami Mabel Rubio. Number 3 tourist destination. Ito yung mga beach mga beach natin. Kawasan Falls, Cebu. Ito naman ay isang falls somewhere in Cebu. Diba? Napakaganda ng mga natural pools located along the Kawasan Falls. Canyoneering, which involves the range of jumping into pools, rock climbing, abseiling, scrambling, and techniques is the preferred method of reaching the falls. Kunana. For those who aren't adrenaline-packed adventurous, access to the falls is available from the main road and fairly easy to access. Kunana matkitye. Mars Hawaiiana ka ita, kunana. No, I am not a Hawaiiana, madam. I am only using a floral printed. Uri si kamat, tumapang kagsalsala dita, Robinsons, nakahawa-Hawaiiana kaimot, di ba? Hi, Madam Irene. Tiko, anak kakngada ni Irene. And then, the 4th destination before we come to realize a commercial, Darling Pearl Pasco Adolfo, we have the Hidden Valley Springs in Laguna. Just as the name suggests, Hidden Valley Springs features natural spring pools set among the absolutely beautifully landscaped gardens, which makes the full use of the natural terrain. Kunana, Irene, entitled Jai, Hidden Valley Springs, Laguna. Kunana, Apo. Located only about a 2-hour drive from Manila, 2 oras, day trips to the natural springs are available as well as accommodation packages from the Hidden Valley Springs Resort. Kunana. Rolando Pasion watching from UAE. Ingat lagi kabsat, sabi niya dito. Si Raquel. Hi Raquel. Pakishare naman ang ating FB Live. Next destination is Camiguin Island in Mindanao, diba? The island born of fire. Sabi niya, Camiguin is perhaps most well known for its pristine white sandbar and clear turquoise waters. Kunana. However, the volcanic peaks kasi at the Volcano de Apo are also a sight to behold, especially when you understand the history behind these monsters. Diba? There are also refreshing cold springs which are an excellent way to beat the heat of the day. Pang summer nga talaga, Apo. There is also a couple of waterfalls on the island with Katibawasan Falls being the main feature. Iso ti kapipintasan na di dyan. Swimming in the rock pool of this waterfall is also a great way to cool down in the heat of the day. Diba? Camiguin Island in Mindanao. And bago tayo dumako sa ating isang commercial, let us continue with Banawe, Ifugao. Banawe, Ifugao. The rice terraces of Banawe are absolutely spectacular with the mountainous areas offering some welcome relief from the summer heat of the Philippines. Kunana. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it takes about 10 to 12 hours to get there by car or bus, so it's definitely best to spend a night or two there. Maturog tayo ijay. Napang kami mo dito, Banawe, idin. Just about everywhere you travel throughout the region, you will see rice terraces. Kung na Apo, di kita mulaan, di kita mountain rice, upland rice, kung na carved into just about definitely best to spend a night or two, kunana. Every single bit of available mountainside. Truly an amazing experience. Kunana, known to be one of the 7 wonders of the world. Kunana, dati idiba. Apo, guided tours for the best terraces such as Batad and Bangaan are available. Accommodation options are somewhat limited to make sure you book early to avoid disappointment. Kaya nangasawin Apo, agpabook tayo. Ipabook tayo, dagiti kanyados tayo, if we want to see Banawe, Ifugao Rice Terraces or Camiguin Island, Mindanao. So, iti pa nagsubli tayo Apo, more tourist destinations in the Philippines para kadigiti kakabagyan tayo nga sumangpet all the way from abroad. This is Ina D for Anya Aya for Lailokano.
Hello everyone, I am Marilu Ali Tamayo. I am a certified naturopathy practitioner at the same time acupuncturist. So in Baguio City, gusto ko pong ipamalita sa inyo na meron ako kayong isang wellness doctor na mag-a-assist po sa mga nararamdaman yung sakit, especially on the root cause of the disease. As a wellness doctor, I am also an awarded scientist and formulator because nagkaroon po ako ng isang partuat in Lailokano, may invention na galing po sa mga prutas, mga natural antibacterial herbs, and of course, vegetables. So, napakaganda po dito ay na nakita ko yung importansya ng isang magsasaka or a farmer para makuha po natin yung kanyang produkto. Why? Because this TV Foods has 5 kinds of fruits, 3 kinds of herbs, and 1 kind of vegetable. So, ano-ano po yung mga prutas na nandoon sa produkto po natin? 1 is pineapple, 2 is watermelon, 3 is mango, 4 is dragon fruit, 5 is grapes. So as you can see, it's all local kasi gusto ko pong tulungan ang mga farmers po natin. And other herbs are turmeric, ginger, and the cayenne. Yung cayenne po is the siling labuyo na mayaman po yan sa anti-inflammation, antibacterial, antifungal. And of course, I added 1 vegetable galing po dito sa Mountain Province, which is the beetroot. Bakit ko kinonceptualize yung mga ganong nutrisyon na kailangan natin? In research po kasi mayaman po yan sa antioxidant, antifungal, antiviral, and the nutrients that we get in each vegetable or fruit or herbs is very important na ma-absorb ng ating digestive system. Alam naman po natin na na-designed, and this is designed for your gut microbiota and designed for your gut microbiome process or designed to our digestive system. So once na uminom po tayo nito, it will help your digestive process. Remember, gut microbiota is lakas po yan ng immune system natin. At the same time, ang gut microbiota is the community ng bacteria natin, especially on the bad side of bacteria. So the thing is, Doc Hanis Tibicus is for our gut health. So tatanggalin niya yung inflammations ng katawan natin, tatanggalin din po niya yung mga toxins sa katawan natin because of probiotics, prebiotics, and enzyme. So when we say probiotics, prebiotics, and enzyme, that's good for your gut health and that's good for your digestive system. Now, bakit na-design ito? Because our main hero in the 11 systems that God has given us is the digestive process. Tandaan niyo po na ang digestive system natin is connected to our nervous system, to our circulatory system, to our bone homeostasis, especially to our immune system. At this moment in time, alam naman po natin na ang kalaban natin is COVID-19. So, we have to uplift or to boost our immune system so that we will not accumulate bacteria or yung sinasabi nila na pang mababang immune system mo, mas marami kang sakit. Proven na po yan and it's in the studies. So, Doc Hanis Tibicus is one of the answer. Hindi ko po sinasabi na ito po yung pinakamaganda sa lahat, but I am calling all people to consider one of your regimen. I'm not claiming na this is your gamot or this is your complete nutrition, but at least this Doc Hanis Tibicus will answer kung ano man po yung mga problema nyo sa inyong digestive process. Again, this is a gut health supplement. I call it functional food because of its character, probiotics, prebiotics, and enzyme. For more information po, or kung gusto niyo pong mag-seminar for more details about my product, you can just visit my clinic at 2nd floor, Cap Building, Baguio City. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. This product is FDA approved. It's not only on LTO or the license to operate, pero meron din po siyang CPR, the very important certificate that you know, the Certificate of Product Registration. Hindi lang din po yan FDA approved, but halal certified. So meaning lahat po ng mga kaibigan, mga kakilala, mga kapatid natin na Muslim can also drink this. And at the same time, this is a DOST assisted project, Department of Science and Technology project, and multi-awarded product. Hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas, but in international. Actually, it's also a multi-awarded product ng Department of Science and Technology. We are very, very proud na meron po tayong isang very legit, very effective na produkto galing sa Pilipinas. So ano pa po ang hinihintay mo? Avail one now. You can just contact me up at 0916-204-4007 or for a seminar or any informations or gusto niyo pong malaman kung ano po yung mga marami pa pong beneficyo ng aking produkto. We have a seminar actually weekly in our clinic dito lamang po sa 2nd floor, Cap Building, Baguio City. Bakit ko pala pinangalan ng Tibicus? Because I adopt the Japanese word Tibicus, feeling good. I feel good. That's why I adopted Tibicus. So remember, it's a Japanese word meaning I'm good, I feel good.
So ayan mga kaibigan, still, this is Ina D. Agsubli kami and this portion is brought to us by Doc Hanis Tibicus, your probiotics, prebiotics, and enzymes ready to replenish, restore, and refresh your system. Probiotics, prebiotics, and enzymes. After Banawe, Ifugao, at the Apo, the Pearl Farm Beach Resort in Davao. Kunana, the Pearl Farm Beach Resort has made every effort to incorporate the cultural authenticity relative to the Philippines into the design and structure and other available amenities. Villas and cottages that are still in the water are available, making it ideal for couples, families, or groups. Pearl Farm. Idya apo ti pakita nyo, di kita nagdadakkel nga taklobo nga agbeber, kidi kita very famous nga South Sea pearls all the way from the Philippines, Ma'am Julard. Next will be this one. Tagaytay, Cavite. Kunay na apo. Manulang nga oras. Ita Cavite, you have 60 kilometers south of Manila. 60 kilometers, manulang nga oras tayo nga dumanon ijay. 1 hour pag hindi traffic. Pag traffic, 2 oras. Overlooking the Taal Volcano is a pleasant place that is slightly off-beaten tourist track and is little quieter for those who want authentic experience. Boat riding, going to the Taal Volcano. Due to its elevation, it has known to be the second summer capital of the Philippines. Nalami is Ijay, Tagaytay, with stunning views overlooking the Taal province. This is perfect place for a quick getaway with a number of health spas and retreats located in the area. Diba? Perfect! There are also a number of activities in Tagaytay including SM Sky Ranch, Picnic Grove, People's Park, and Paradiso. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo makita lahat ang mga ito, you can Google it out, right? Number 9. El Nido, Palawan. Diba? El Nido, Palawan, when it comes to El Nido, diba, it has everything for the perfect holiday destination. White sand beaches, JC Marcos, clean and clear waters, stunning scenery with limestone cliffs, mountains, and caves. We have adventure sports and of course, thriving coral reefs and lagoons that are simply ideal for snorkeling and scuba diving. Once you're there in El Nido, Palawan, you don't want to go home. Parang ayaw mo nang umuwi. Sa ganda, ang ganda, one of the finest beaches in the world. And of course, Baguio City. Saan ka pa ba? Baguio City, the summer capital of the Philippines. Ilang degrees ba? Ilang degrees ang ating nakikita pagdating sa Baguio City? I'm just wearing my anti-glare glass. Baguio City, Camp John Hay, Club John Hay, ano pa ba? Best Night Market, Ukay-Ukayan, Patrick Balagat, and the rest. Diba? Next. Aside from the vegetable, Baguio vegetables, ano pa ba yung anong sa Baguio? Of course, yung lamig lang naman talaga. And of course, the tourist spots in Baguio City. We also have here Puerto Galera, Mindoro. Puerto Galera, Mindoro. Ito ay isang beach and swimming destination. Diba? Manang love hanipay. Naimas nga papanan, pagpalpalamiisan with its floating cottages and the rest will be history. Puerto Galera. I went there once when I was in Bicol region. Napakasarap. Diba? Bohol. Ano bang nakikita sa Bohol? Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills and the smallest primate. Diba? Andun yung smallest primate, makikita natin doon sa Bohol. Ayan. And of course, last but surely not the least, we have Boracay. Boracay Island in Aklan. Diba? Considered to be the best sa isang magazine. The best beach in the world is Boracay, as claimed by this very popular tourist destination, tourist journal, Lailokano puti kamay sa kapipintasan because of its pristine and white beaches nga nakapinpintas, nakalawlawa, nakaat-atidog nga intayo pag taray-tarayan. I went there once, di ba? Watching from Taiwan, Ilocos Norte, kunay na po, ni manang Merlin Aquino, gumsat. Watching from Taiwan, Ilocos Norte, inadi, anakadi, kunamit ni dito gayim tayo nga Jai Dubai. Deta Apo. Deta Apo, Sander, the third. Digita mabalin tayo nga papanan for our tourist destinations. Aglalong digita mabalin tayo nga mapanag swimming, mga mahihilig sa mga swimming, mga mahihilig sa mga pagkain, all over the Philippines. The Pilipinas Apo is considered as a tourist spot to behold, a tourist spot destination, tourist destination, kunay na si ka JC Marcos, because nakadado ti pagpilyam from the food, from the people, the most honest, the most hospitable people are here in the Philippines, di ba? So, no adda balbalak di kiti kabagyan tayo nga mapan ag bakasyon Apo, let's go to Boracay, let's go to Pagudpud, let's go to Batanes, let's go to Cebu. It's more fun in the Philippines. Dito nga content tayo tataapo kat it's a more fun in the Philippines, just like having fun drinking your Doc Honey's tea because FDA approved, halal certified, and DOST assisted and DOST awarded. Sana all na makatur ijay Bagyo ko na. So this is Ina D again for another content of Lailokano's Anya Aya. Ag subsublikam to manen Apo iti naidumduma sabsabali nga topic informative ken dadumapay nga intay pagsasaritaan iti inaldaw aldaw. Love honey pa, Manang Merlin. Bye for now. Be Valenzuela and to the rest of you. Bye. See you again sa ating ibang mga contents sa ating mga FB Reels dito lamang sa NGT Multimedia Distribution Services, giving you information, providing you very clean and entertaining topics. Kahit ano pa, andyan lagi si Ina D in the house. Bye for now. Thank you, and baba-bush!
Protect yourself and your loved ones from COVID-19. Give them the best nutrients to your family, your PPE inside your body. Doc Honey's Tibicus is a combination of probiotics, prebiotics, and enzymes used as a supplemental health drink formulated to support the immune system and regulates body functions. Doc Honey's Tibicus is FDA approved, halal certified, and DOST assisted. Formulated by the most decorated and awarded locally and internationally, Dr. Marilu Hani Beras Tamayo, Doctor of Ministry in Alternative Medicine, licensed acupuncturist, and the President of the Integrated Naturopathic Association for Asia and Pacific. She is also a member of the Diabetes Society of the Philippines. Doc Honey's Tibicus. Diyan ka bubuti, diyan ka gagaling.
Hi everyone, siya ni Dennis Gabriel Alipio, reporter iti DCRH Metro Manila, News Stringer iti GMA7. May isa ka pong stroke survivor, 5 years ko nga ni stroke. You know what? Half body, na-paralyze iti bagi. Although ada iti recovery iti, yung babayan ti panag-usap iti because alalisto, iti panag-recover iti bagi, mga pagnakon, ken kasmay ganyo, pimintas iti speech ko. Nagsubli po iti normal nga panagsalita, kaya kastameten pimintas pay iti circulation iti bagi iti naatake ak nagkaroon ak iti nervyos every time at danatay sumken madiarik na gapot iti atap ko maestro ko manen yan babaen iti parusar ko iti tibikos nekat di anxiety nekat ti insomnia ken iti over fatigue isu nga kadagiti pada nga ni stroke kung sa tibikos, kaputa very effective, mamimpisan nga balbaliwan na, itirik na, kaya kastameten iti panunod tayo. Tibikos, the best.
need help keeping your digestion balanced and sync, try TB Cause. It's the #1 GE recommended triple treat probiotic, prebiotic, and enzymes help digestion balance 24/7. Right combination of multiple vitamins, minerals, and metabolites by helping good balance bacteria in your digestion tract. Without proper nutrition and exercise, your health can suffer. TB Cause Triple Action Formula combines probiotic plus prebiotic and enzymes. Keep you gut healthy and function at its best. Our convenient bottles bring wherever you go. Natural's greatest treasure. Health is our way of life with TB Cause.